how hard these were. Like, you gotta have to keep up with them and like try to do it right at the same time. Like, this is hard. I don't see how people I feel like a cute bug. I don't know. I feel like a beetle with my hair like this. The one that you know, buy dinner. Like, you would make her eat off the floor. Like, you give her a plate. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. So today I'm so excited because I finally figured out how to do the, you know how the reaction videos that they do where they watch something and then they react. Well, no, it's not that one. Pause. Sorry. It's the ones where it says I tried to follow blank blank, and like it can be like a makeup tutorial or a hairstyle or anything if you just want to follow it. So I decided to do that with my video today. I will be following Naptural85, and if you don't know her, please go watch her video. She's like an OG natural. I remember being in the 8th grade, my mom wouldn't let me take control of my hair, and I used to like wish that my hair could be like hers, and I wanted to go natural so bad just because she was natural and her hair was so big and fluffy and pretty. So pretty to me, and I always wanted my hair like that, but I could never do it because I was relaxed. So fast forward some years, now that I'm natural, I feel like it'll only be right to do my first I tried following a video with her video. And I'm just going to be doing a hairstyle that she did because I'm actually going to go somewhere. So I hope it turns out right. If it don't, I'm really going to be low-key hurt. So let's just hope it works. Oh, and shout out to my plant. New accessory here. She's a little drunk, but that's okay. Oh, and guys, listen. No background talking. Yeah, everyone else is gone, so I thought it'd be like a perfect time to record a video. So if I just sound a little too excited, I'm sorry. I'm just excited because everybody is gone, and I feel like it won't be weird recording. So I feel like they listen to me when I talk, when I'm trying to do my video, and they think I'm crazy. But, well, yeah, that's just how I feel because no one else is in the room, but I'm talking. So it just feels more, I don't know, natural here. So let's get right into it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see some more videos of me. And yeah, let's get to it.
I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
So I'm gonna start with you live in my bonnet. That's how you know it's real. That's how you know I love her. But I don't know if she starts in her bonnet. I'm gonna see. Let's see. Her hair is so pretty. Wait, let me give her some room. Her hair is just so pretty.
Hey guys, today's hairstyle is a little bit edgy, a little bit fierce, and has a ton of texture.
That's cute. See, that's why I picked this one. It looks like it's gonna be real cute.
A twist out. Really, your hair can have any texture. From super defined to absolutely no definition.
Well, she doesn't start off in a bonnet, I don't think.
Alright, so this is really easy. Let me show you what I did.
So she doesn't start in a bonnet, so 1 minute. So my hair doesn't look like hers right now. But that's okay. It's going to. We're gonna work on it. I'm sorry. I don't even have anything. Like, I don't have a comb. I'm pretty sure she's gonna use something. So I'll be back.
So I'm creating a clean side part starting at my temples and going back. Now
hold on. She says she's doing a clean side part starting at her temples. I lost the other part. Really? Oh no. Here it is. Okay. I don't want this video to be 20 minutes long. Okay, come on, get it together.
Now you've got a little section in the front. We're gonna tie the rest of the hair back to get it out of the way.
Okay. Well, I keep having to pause. I'm sorry, but I have to tie my hair up like she.
I grab a bit of heavy-duty edge control gel, and I'm applying that all along the
I'm just
edges
using
of that
Eco
section
Style
of hair.
gel.
I really want to make sure the parts look nice and clean all around. I split that section in 2 halves horizontally and working 1 half at a time. I'm gonna grab medium-sized sections.
Medium-sized sections.
Now the twists don't have to be perfect. I didn't even go all the way to the bottom. I just make sure it's tight enough to stay in, but
her twists are so pretty.
Lots of volume. So when you're done with the
no, they're not. But like, I know they're gonna look better than mine.
Twisting the hair in medium sections.
Okay, I'm gonna speed through this part.
So in total, I created 6.
Okay, see, she did 6, but her hair is like
Now
longer and stuff.
And we're gonna create a sweet.
So her hair is like longer than mine. So I should probably. Oh, she said don't do them too perfect. Okay. I didn't even twist them all the way down. Well, mine look like that when I don't. So I'm gonna try. How does she? I can't even do that because like when I get up here, it keeps coming up. I want to stay back here. Maybe, okay, yeah, I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on mine. Like, my hair is dry. Her hair probably isn't dry, but mine is dry. Just got a little bit of the honey cream. Feels better after I put the water on it and stuff. Because yeah, before, she was gonna have my bang just too dry and crunchy. Okay, but she did hers like this.
All I do is bring the twist forward, pin curl them around 2 fingers, and then continue rolling the hair back towards the scalp. Once you hit the scalp, just stretch that roll out so it's more of an oval shape rather than a circular one, and then bobby pin the hair in place. So here's a quick fix for if you have any parts showing in the pompadour. Just put a finger into the middle of each twist next to the part, pull the hair out a bit.
Okay, so we're gonna have to pray for my pompadour. Why isn't mine?
Pin the hair in place.
Okay.
Alright, moving on. Separate
this is
the hair
okay.
from the pompadour.
No, it's not. Like, why
is
is mine doing that?
This part doesn't have to
wait.
And I'm gonna secure the rest of the hair in a ponytail to get it out of the way.
Curve.
Working one side at a time, I'm gonna eventually create 3 even rows of hair. So I'm gonna section out that first row, and this should be a nice, clean, angular part.
Wait.
I'm grabbing some gel and I'm gently slicking the hair back, making sure the part is visible. I also want this to be nice and smooth, so I'm grabbing my baby toothbrush that is only used for my hair, and I'm gently smoothing the hair back and upwards so that the part is super defined. And I'm gonna fix my baby hair as well.
I think it'll still look okay.
Alright, once that's smooth, I bobby pin the hair in place. Okay, so next, part the hair from your ear.
I know it seems like I'm not really following her, but I can't braid, so
pin the rest of the hair out of the way.
I'm just gonna flat twist again. I'm gonna flat twist mine to the back, and
now this row is gonna be a small French.
My hair isn't as long, so I'm just gonna add in some hair that I have here, so it can still.
And of course, because it's
I feel like she's doing this to frame her face, so I'm gonna do that so it can frame my face. I'm gonna add in some hair with the flat twist.
You can also make this.
Okay, so this is what I came up with. I don't know how to braid, so like I said, so all I did was flat twist mine. And I added some hair in to make mine longer too, so mine can be like hers. But yeah, this is what I came up with, and I'm gonna click start back on the video.
Release the back. You're gonna fluff out the hair a bit, shape it however you
she
like,
took out her hair.
and that's it. How freaking easy was that?
Cool.
When I'm done styling,
and now mine
I
is
like to release the twist at the end.
See, mine didn't even pop out. You saw hers.
At this point, the twist
fluffed out when it came out.
And releasing the twist give the ends a nice smooth texture that'll blend nicely with the rest of the hair. So now the braids have more of a gradual end and seamless look. Alright, so that's it.
Cute.
This is my edgy, textured / curly style.
I'm gonna give like my final thoughts after she's
and
done.
it's a great way to play up a wash and go. Get your hair out your face, or even fix a failed or bad hair day. There's texture everywhere in this style, and the braids really help to frame the face. And the possibilities here are endless. You can wear it as a messy bun, ponytail. Here, let me show you how I'd wear this as a ponytail. Split the hair and back into 2 halves. Secure the top half into a high ponytail, and then do the same thing to the bottom half, securing it into a ponytail. Now just grab one braid at a time, bring it around the back between the 2 ponytails.
That's what I need to make my ponytails look bigger.
And do the same thing to the other side. Now just blend the 2 ponytails together. Creating 2 ponytails on top of each other gives you more length and volume for the illusion of a bigger ponytail. This is especially helpful when you have tons of shrinkage.
I know more than likely I'm gonna wear mine down.
And that's it for a cute ponytail look. Now this is definitely not a one-time style. You can rock this look throughout the entire week if you want. Here's how to protect it at night. Split the hair in the back in half, twist each half around itself and into a bun,
I'm just gonna do what I want to do.
I'm
probably gonna just stretch my hair
and secure with a ribbon tie. So a total of 2 buns in the back.
And I'm gonna come back as I fixed this, and I'm gonna show you what look, how I want it to look, and my thoughts on it. Be back. Okay, through. So here are my final thoughts. I like it. I like it a lot. All I did was I went off camera and I did my edges, just swirled them, and I tucked the 2 twists that I did up here, the sheet slicked back. I just crossed them over each other and pinned them up at the back of my pompadour thing, and I like it. I feel like a cute bug. I don't know. I feel like a beetle with my hair like this. The one that you know, buy dinner. Like you would make her eat off the floor. Like you give her a plate. I feel like I look like one of those type of beetles. So anywho, that is my I followed a video, and I did mine with the lovely natural. Is it 35 or 85? I'm sorry if I messed it up. 85, I think. Natural 85. The final look, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And you can follow me if you want. Cute beetle. I think you should follow me. Well, no, not follow me. I'm sorry. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I think it's right. No. It's gonna be on the opposite side. Right there. It's red. Pretty big. I think you should touch her. And don't forget to follow me on my social media sites, which will be on the little photo that I leave at the end, along with my daily scripture. I like to give you guys, just, you know, spread the spirit everywhere. So yeah, that is my video, and I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and check out my other video that I did. I don't know how to end it. So bye. See you in the next one.